Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, The Creative Corner. Guys, are you looking for an easy and powerful way to record your screen edit videos and create stunning content all in one place? So in today's video, I will introduce you to Wondershare Democreator, your all-in-one solution for video recording and editing. Whether you are a content creator, educator, or gamer, Demo Creator has the tools you need to bring your ideas to life. Let's dive in and explore how it works. You can find the link to this platform in this description below the video. This software is available for both Windows and Mac. Simply download and merge install it on your PC. Once you open it, you will see an interface like this on the home screen. You will see two features: video recorder and video editor. First, I will guide you through screen recording. After the screen recording, I will show you how to edit the video in screen recording. You will find these options: screen and camera, audio, game virtual avatar, and video presentation from here. You can select what you want to record. After that, select the recording area. Next, select the recording preset. You can choose from different options based on your needs. You can also turn your camera, mic, and system sound on or off from here. You can also set a schedule for your screen recording, allowing you to start and stop recordings at specific times automatically. Once you have set everything, simply press the record button to start your recording. As soon as the recording starts, a toolbar will appear on your screen providing you with options like pencil, marker, text shapes, and spotlights. These tools can be used during screen recording to highlight specific points effectively. After recording your video, you can further edit it using the built-in video editor. First, you will find video templates here, which you can use to quickly enhance your content. Next, there is the annotation feature where you can add text shape, arrows, and other elements to highlight key points in your videos. After that, you can apply video effects to enhance your footage, adding transitions, filters, and other visual effects to make your video more engaging. Here you will find a variety of video effects available for you to use. Next, you will find options for audio effects, cursor effects, and pan and zoom, allowing you to enhance the audio highlight. The cursor movements add smooth transition to your video with zoom and pan effects. After that, there is the transitions features, which allows you to add smooth transition between scenes or clips, make your video flow seamlessly. Here you will find a wide variety of transitions, including trending ones displayed at the top. You can choose any that you like and add them to your video. Once you add a transition, you will notice how much more impressive and smooth your videos look. Next, there is the brand kits feature, which offer a wide palette of intros, outros, and title videos. Edit and customize these elements to fit your style and use them in your own videos. In addition, you can add stickers to your videos to make them more fun and engaging. You can also add audio such as background music to enhance the overall experience. Now let me share with you one of its amazing features: speech to text. With this, you can easily add subtitles to your videos without any hassle. Click on Auto Subtitle and then hit the Start button. The software will automatically generate subtitle for your video. which you can easily edit as needed. As you can see on the screen, the subtitles are now showing. You can also add animations to the subtitles, making them appear more dynamic and attractive in your video. Here you will find many beautiful subtitles animations. Choose the one you like. Next, there is the text-to-speech feature, which allows you to convert any text into natural sounding speech, making it easier to add voiceovers to your videos. Here, simple type the text you want to convert into speech. You will find a wide variety of voices available, both male and female. So you can choose the one that best suits your video's tone and style.
Wondershare, creativity simplified.
Wondershare, creativity simplified.
Wondershare, creativity simplified.
After selecting your preferred voice, click on the OK button, and that is the voiceover has been generated.
Wondershare Democreator is a versatile screen recording and video editing tool, perfect for creating tutorials, gaming highlights, and presentations.
That's a wrap for today's video. As you can see, Wondershare Democreator. It's packed with powerful features that make video creating and editing a breeze. Whether you recording tutorials, presentations, or even gameplay, this software offers everything you need to create professional quality content. If you have not already, make sure to download Demo Creator and start bringing your ideas to life. Today's video's link is in the description below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more amazing content. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.